In this video, we are going to show you a very advanced way how to get out of shadow position using head roll, turn, and dips. Let's go!
Ese momento en el que el pulso se acelera, cuando en invierno te hacen ver la primavera. Si están tus manos con las mías, ninguna noche se hace fría, y en un segundo es como si te conociera. Como la paz y la guerra, como la luna y la tierra. Y yo no sé muy bien qué va a pasar contigo, si te vas a enamorar. Y yo no sé si estás escrita en mi destino, pero no puedes negar que al final, si algo tiene que pasar, va a pasar. No batallemos con la ley de gravedad, de gravedad, de gravedad.
Okay guys, so we start in the shadow position, and if you don't know how to get in the shadow position or you need some inspiration, make sure to check out this video. We go on a basic in 1, 2, 3, tap, and 5, 6, 7, 8. So in 7, 8, the first thing that we do is we bring this hand and the arm outside. Now on 1 and 2, we go 1, 2. So we put this hand on the left shoulder of the follower. Now on 3, we put this other one here on the other shoulder in 3 and prepare and go down with the preparation on 4. Now is when we release these hands, so we only have them on the shoulders of the follower. We are not grabbing her hands. And we start with the turn with head roll. First, we go diagonally down and back towards us in 5. And guys, make sure to use your body as well and not just to stay here and start leading only with the hands. So we're leading with the upper body as well on 5. Now we start doing the head roll with the turn by pushing and leading the turn like this. And at the same time, with our elbow, we create space for the follower's head. Because if we don't do it, then this happens. And we don't want that. So we are here in 4, 5, 6. And now, guys, make sure that you are already in the position for the preparation of the dip. This means that my upper body is not from here, and I'm staying like this the whole time, but I am also preparing and following and leading with my body. So I'm here on 5, 6, 7, and 8. So my upper body, instead of being only here, it's already here for the preparation of the dip. And now on 1, I can lead my dip here by bringing the hips to the front and slowly the upper body up and down.
So when the leader releases our hands here, you can start by bringing them down slowly, put some tension, and this will help you a lot to do the turn and not to lose your balance. Also make sure to stay and make yourself a little smaller so you can do your turn very good. And make your steps as usual, so you go on 5, 6, 7, 8. So for the head movement, it's very important that you control your upper body. For the preparation, we go with the upper body up and down, and then we go diagonally to the back, and this is where you can start with your head movement. You go down here, we close our chest and bring the chin to the chest. We do the turn, down, 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 and when we are here, the leader will bring your hip to the front, and we start by building up our body into the dip, and we go down here and open the chest to the roof.
So guys, before we continue, we just want to thank all of you guys that are supporting the channel by becoming a Patreon or by buying us a coffee. And if you would like to support us, make sure to check out the links down below. But now, let's continue with the video. Some key points for the leading of the cambre is that we have this connection here. And make sure, leaders, to not be in front of the follower and try to lead dips from here, but that she has a little bit our support and the contact with the leg. Because this way as well, we can lead the hips as well. So with our weight shifting, we can go and lead her into a dip. And also, for the upper body, I said that we prepare here with the upper body, and then we lead with the upper body the dip. But we don't go until the end. We don't go like this with her, because it not only doesn't look good, but also we need to create a little bit of counterweight. So we are here, we prepare, we start the movement with her, and then we release and let her finish the move while we stay up. From this point of view, in 1, 2, 3, tap, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, and 3, tap, and 5, 6, and 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, tap.
If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Let us know down in the comments what you think, and make sure to watch our other videos. You will like them for sure. Hope to see you there. Bye!